back to math video. In today's video, we'll be going to lesson number 9. Lesson number 9, speed, distance and time. You all are familiar with these words, speed, distance and time. So let us recall what is speed? How fast a vehicle is moving, or how fast you are walking, or how fast you are running. That is measured in speed, right? And what is distance? Distance is the path you cover, like how far you have walked, how far a car has travelled, or how far a vehicle has travelled. That is in distance. And time, you as usual know the time we see. So today we will be going to learn, we will be going to see how all these three words or all these three things are related with each other. So normally we know speed means just how fast the thing is moving. But for calculating speed, we use this distance and time. So formatically or in a proper sentence, speed means how far you travel and how much time you take to travel. That is speed. So we write it like speed is equal to distance by time, or you still particularly write distance covered by time taken. So this is how we calculate speed. If you see your vehicle speedometer, you can see kilometer per hour. That means how many kilometers is that vehicle traveling in 1 hour. That is how we calculate the speed, and they show it in speedometers. In your two-wheelers or in your four-wheelers, you can see a speedometer like this with a needle here. And here they have written numbers. And it had written kilometer per hour. That is, speed is how much kilometers is traveling in 1 hour. That speed will be shown here. Okay, what is this kilometer per hour? So this is nothing but the unit of speed. Like for length, what do you use unit? You measure length using meters or centimeters. Just like that. For measuring the speed, we use kilometer per hour, and also we use some more. So let us see now what are the units we use to measure speed. For units, speed, distance, I write the short form, and time. So speed also have different units, just how you have for length, kilometer, meter, centimeter, and for weight you have kgs, grams, and then milligrams, and time you have hours, minutes, and seconds. Similarly, for speed also you have different units, but that all the units will depend on these two factors. Means in which unit are you measuring this? Example, if distance I am taking in kilometers and I am taking time in hours. So the unit of speed will be kilometer per hour. Similarly, when I take the distance in meters, time in minutes, this unit of speed is meters per minute. And if you measure the distance in kilometers, okay, just example you take in kilometers and then time in minutes. So what will be my speed? It is kilometer per minute. So this is how you calculate the unit of speed. So always the unit of speed will depend on the unit we take for distance and the time. So if we take this in kilometers and if you take time in seconds, what will be the speed unit? It will be kilometer per second. So the units of speed you have understood now. So let us go to the exercise and start calculating the speed. So we have to use only one formula in this, is the speed is equal to distance by time taken. So let's go to exercise 9.1, page number 122. Exercise 9.1. So I'll be doing few sums and I'll give you few sums to practice. Exercise 9.1, page number 122. First name. Find speed if their respective units. So you have to find the speed and you should make sure that you are writing the units correctly. If you write the units wrong or if you don't write the units, and the answer would be completely wrong. Okay children? So units are very, very important. So let's see this first one. Distance. For D means distance. Distance is equal to 216 kilometers. And time is 6 hours. So first, what is the formula for speed? Distance by time, right? And what is the distance here? 216 kilometers. This is important. By time is 6 hours. So what will be my answer? You have to divide this both. So let us divide it. So when you divide 216 by 6, what do you get? 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 6. So it will be 6 6 36. So my answer is 36. The speed here is 36 kilometers per hour. You understood the first one, children? So similarly, we will be finding the others. So I will be doing only few sums in this. So let us go for the C one. Distance is how much? Distance is 720 kilometers. Time is 12 hours. So my speed will be 720 divided by 12 and kilometer and hour here. So when I divide 720 by 12, I can easily say 12 6 is 72 and I write the 0 here. So it is 60. What is the unit? Kilometer per hour. This is my answer. I'll do the E sum for you now. This was C sum. Next I'll be doing the E sum. In E sum they have given D is 640 kilometers. Time is 40 hours. So I have to find the speed. I have to write 640 kilometers divided by 40 hours. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. And 4, how many times is 64? 4. If you divide it in this way, it will be 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. So it will be 16. And what is the unit for speed here? It is kilometer per hour. This is the answer. So next I am taking G question. Question number G. The The distance is 700 meters. Time is 14 seconds. So let's divide 700 by 14 and the units are meters and seconds. So let's divide it. 700, 4. 4 ones are 4, 3, bring down 0. 4 sevens are 28, again 2, bring down 0. 4 fives are is 20. So my quotient is 175, 775 meters per second. Because I have meter and second, I write meters per second. So I hope you are clear with this, children. Others are quite easy for you to try it out. Now let's go for the second main. It is kind of word problems. Here also we should find the speed. So you have enough space to write the sum there and calculate. So I want you to write it and calculate the answer there itself. So let's take the first one here. A flight covers 9,000 kilometers. So what is 9,000 kilometers given here? It is the distance. So you write distance is equal to 9,000 kilometers. Units are very important, children. You have to specify the units. In 18 hours. So what is the 18 hours? It's the time. So time is 18 hours. So now we have to find the speed. The formula is distance by time, that is equal to 9,000 by 18. This is kilometer, this is hours. So let's divide 9,000 by 18. So if I take you children please divide this and check it out. Fraction simplification I do. So I can say this is 9 ones are 9, 1, 2, 3 zeros here. 9 twos are is 18, and I can cancel 9, 2 ones are 2, 2 500 is 1000. So this is the simplification of fractions. You can also do it in this way also. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 18 ones are 18, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, and as you go on calculating, you get 18 fives are 90. And I have 2 zeros extra here, right? I have to bring this 2 zeros down. So instead of again calculating, I just directly write it as 0, 0. So it is same as what I got there. So my speed is 500 kilometer per hour. This is the answer for the first one. Now let's try the second one. I traveled a distance of 720 meters in 30 seconds. What is my speed? So how fast a man travels? Okay, it's given a train. Fine, anything. So here, what is the distance given there? How much distance did she cover? The distance is 720 kilometer and time taken. So it's not kilometer, it is meters. 720 meters and time taken is 30 seconds. 30 seconds will be half a minute. So what is the speed? Distance by time, that is 720 divided by 30. Write the units. Now calculate the answer. 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 4s are 24s are 72. If you are confused to cancel like this, you can write the division form and calculate the answer. So my answer would be 24 meters per second. This is her speed. So I'll solve one more problem for you. Mani travels 400 kilometers in 10 hours. By bus. Find the speed of the bus. So Manat is traveling in a bus, and distance that the bus covered in hours. Okay, the distance of the bus covering is 400 kilometers in 10 hours. So what would be my speed here? It will be 400 divided by 10. And don't forget the unit, it is kilometers per hour. 0 get cancels here. So my answer would be 40 by 1 is nothing but 40. Unit is kilometer per hour. So the bus travels in speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Okay children, there are just two problems for you to try it out. Please try it out and write your answers in the test book so that I can check it when I take it for correction. And I'll be asking the answers in the interactive sessions too. So I want everyone to practice nicely children. Any doubt you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.